Hello everyone, today problem name is Serval and Mocha's array. In this problem, Mocha likes an array and he wants the array is good and beautiful. An array is good if its all element greatest common divisor is not more than its length. For example, if the array is 3 and 6 and its length is 2, so the GCD of this array of all element is 3, so it's greater than its length, so that's why we call it's not a good. In the second array, you see that the length of the array is 3 and the GCD of all element will be 1, so it's a good. And also he said that the array needs to be a beautiful, and the beautiful array condition is that the array any two element positive integers element will GCD will not greater than 2. So if I found that 1 and 2 from this array, so 1 and 2 GCD will be 1 and it's not more than its length. So 1 and 2 array prefix array's length is 2, so it's not more than 2. That's why we say that this array will be good and beautiful, and for this array we will print yes. And otherwise it's only good or it's only beautiful, we can't print yes, we print no for this. For example, our array is 3 and 6, so 3 and 6 GCD will be 3, so that's why it's greater than its length, so it's not a good, so that's why we print no for this. Then we take another example, 15, 35 and 21, and its GCD will be 1 and it's less than its length, so this will be good. Now we need to check is this array is beautiful or not. For beautiful, we say that the condition is any two element of this array will be good. So we take any two elements. So first we take 15 and 35. So 15 and 35 GCD will be 5 and it's greater than its length, so it's not a good. And now I take 15 and 21 and its GCD is 3 and it's also greater than its length, so it's not a good. So now I take 35 and 21 and its GCD will be 7, so it's also be not a good. If any one pair prefix on this is good, then we said the array is beautiful, but we not get any good pair on this array, that's why we print no for that. And so other example we see that we take 1, 2, 4 and this GCD is 1 and it's less than its length, so it's be a good. And now we check is it beautiful, so we take any two. First we take 1 and 2, so 1 and 2 GCD is 1 and it's less than its length, so it's a good. So we find a good pair, that GCD is good, so that's why we say that this is also a beautiful, so that's why we print yes for this. So now we just understand this problem by explanations. So now we jump to the code for solve this problem. So in code, we firstly take the test case as input and run a loop up to the test case, and into the loop we call a function which will work the calculations part. So firstly we take the array size, then we declare the array and take the array as input. So for this code we find GCD of all elements in this array. That's why we just take the first element as a G, and then we started from the second two and the size of the array. So we just calculate the GCD of all elements, and now we check the condition that if the GCD of all element of an array is greater than its size, then we print no and return this function. And otherwise we check. Now this code will checking is it beautiful or not. If it's beautiful, then we print yes. Otherwise we get the all pair and check if the any pair is its GCD is less than or equal to, then we just print and return the functions. And if we not find any pair, that is good, and that's why we say that this is not a beautiful array. So that's why we print no for this, because this is good but not beautiful. That's why we print no for this. I hope you understand this code and explanations. So thank you for watching this video.